Hey there, welcome back to One Stop Solution. Today we are diving into the world of artificial intelligence to create these special images for your birthday. That's right, we are going to harness the power of AI to craft a personalized birthday image that will leave your friends and loved ones absolutely amazed. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Open up your browser and type in bing.com. Here you will be taken to this page and click on Images. Click on Create to get into the interface of Bing AI. On the top, you can see a prompt box where we need to provide a detailed description of the objects, colors, characters, or any relevant information in order to generate the image. You can use the prompt link in the description box or create your own prompt. For this video, I have already copied the prompt, so I am simply going to paste it. And finally, click on Create to generate the images. Generating image may take some time, so stay tuned until AI crafts perfect image for you. There you go, images are generated. In first trial, 4 images are generated. Click on the image to preview. I don't know about you, but I am absolutely blown away by how beautiful and heartfelt these images turned out to be. Now if you want, you have the option to share, save, download, and customize your image the way you want. And that is how you can easily create a birthday photo with name written on it for free on Bing AI. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to One Stop Solution for more AI adventures. Thank you for watching.